Hey, real the steppers, nigga. We come in, we step on shit. 500 block shit, nigga. Hey. Been poppin' my shit like some jiggers. Niggas be talking that real shit, but I really don't feel them. Been in these streets like a vendor. Stole a ride and what the fuck is a rental? 5%, you can see through these windows. This on the game, that's enough to come get you. If you got a problem, then come press the issue. If you got a problem, then come press the issue. Tried around me, so I took out that missile. Big 4-5, that's a big 4 nigga. Poppin' these pickles, they help with my tempo. 500 block, we really them members. Hang with them steppers, don't hang with pretenders. Hold on. I hang with them steppers, don't hang with pretenders. Hold on. We really them steppers, we really them smackers. We run to the guns, y'all run to the crackers. My life like a movie without all the actors. Blitzing shit like we play for the Packers. Bitch out the low cause I'm fucking the after. Nigga be bitches that really be fragile. Blow me a bag, then make it back after. She tryna act bougie, but I know who done clapped her. Like a blunt, we hit, then we pass her. Fuck a doctor, he need him more pastor. Chase him down, he should've been faster. Wet his ass up like he taking a shower. He struggled to breathe for about half an hour. Flamed his ass up, got turned into powder. We fleeing the scene cause the sirens got louder. Dropped off the car, we walked for some hours. 500 block, don't forget we still out here. Made him 40 like a collar. Get him, gon' take him off of your roster. He real but he fake, was that an imposter? You get what you give, I'm calling that karma. Ayy, you get what you give, I'm getting in comma. You helping these hoes, you be helping your mama. Ain't doing no talking, ain't doing no drama. Just know after that, better watch for a Honda. Keep me some shooters around like Osama. Better think twice before you come and walk up. Spicing shit up, ain't using no hot sauce like a ad. Never know when we pop up. Connected everywhere, ain't using no hot spot. Ain't trip out a bitch cause these bitches be blocked out. Nigga be dodging like they playing dodgeball. Nigga be capping like he got a boss spot. Fucking that bitch cause she getting my rocks off. Nigga be capping like they better pop off. Flexing and shit like he won't get knocked off, bitch. Ayy, stand over his body and make sure his heart stop. Hold on. Leaving cold like the winter. This on the gang and you pop like a pimple. Popping these pickles, they hell with my temper. I could forget, but I always remember. Seen some shit that fucked up my mental. Heart be so cold like the month of December. Empty inside like my body a temple. Cars always stolen, was never no rental. Bars had me floating, it's hard to remember. Popping my shit like some motherfucking jiggers. Nigga be talking that rich shit, but I really don't feel them. Been in the streets like a vendor. Stole a ride and what the fuck is a rental? 5%, you can't see through these windows. This on the gang, that's enough to come get you. If you got a problem, then come press the issue, bitch. Ayy, if you got a problem, then come press the issue. We wiping his nose, ain't using no tissue.